PewDiePie, the biggest individual YouTuber on the planet, just released a free AI agent. And I'm not talking about a chatbot or some little Chrome extension. I'm talking about a full AI workspace that runs on your own computer, keeps all your data private, and can actually do real tasks for you on its own. It blew up on GitHub with over 60,000 stars in a matter of days. So in this video, I want to break down what it actually does and what most people are missing about it, and more importantly, what this whole trend means for you if you want to make money with AI right now. My name is Fred. I make money selling online courses with AI doing most of the heavy lifting, and my record is over $5,000 in 48 hours cash in my bank account. So when a tool like this drops, I don't just think about what it can do technically, I think about how someone can actually use it to build real income and save time. Odysseus is a free, open source AI workspace that Felix Schellberg, better known as PewDiePie, released at the end of May 2026. And the thing that makes it different from every other AI tool you've probably used is that it runs locally on your own machine. Your data doesn't go to any company's servers. Nothing gets tracked, it's all yours. Now, the tool itself is way more than a chat window. Inside Odysseus, you get a chat interface that connects to basically any AI model you want, a full agent that can browse the web, find files, run code, and edit documents on your behalf, a deep research tool that pulls from multiple sources and writes you a clean report, a document editor, a memory system, a notes section, a to-do list, a calendar, and even an email inbox with built-in sorting. All of that in one free tool sitting on your computer. And there's this feature called the cookbook, which I thought was genuinely clever. It scans your hardware, figures out what your machine can actually handle, and recommends AI models that will run well for you. Then you just click to download them. So you're not spending a weekend on forums trying to figure out if your laptop can run a certain model. It just tells you. Now, here's the part I want you to really pay attention to, because this is where it gets interesting for building a business. The agent inside Odysseus doesn't just answer questions. You give it a task, it plans it out, and then it works through the steps on its own using real tools. It can browse the internet, read your files, run code, and interact with outside services. You hand it a goal, and it figures out how to get there. Think about what that means in practice. You could give it a topic, something like create a 5-module online course outline on home budgeting for beginners, and it could go research the topic, pull from multiple sources, structure the content, and hand you back a complete document you can actually use. That used to take hours of manual work. Now it's a single prompt. And this is the shift that I think most people are not fully grasping yet. We're moving from an AI that gives you text to AI that does the work. There's a big difference between those two things. One saves you time on writing, the other saves you time on everything. And if you're watching this thinking, okay, this is genuinely useful, but how do I actually turn any of this into money? That's exactly what my free course covers. I made it to show you the full system I use to build and sell online courses with AI step by step so you can follow along and copy it. And if you want me to look at your specific situation and tell you what I do in your position, you can book a free one-on-one call with me. Both links are in the description below. Now, let me connect all of this to the actual money opportunity, because this is what the tech channels won't tell you. Tools like Odysseus make it faster and cheaper than ever to build an online course business. And I want to be clear about why online courses specifically. When you sell a course, there's no inventory, there's no shipping, and there is no team you need to hire to fulfill orders. You make the product once, and then you sell it as many times as you want. Your profit margin can be as high as 95%. It's the highest leverage business model I've ever seen, and AI has made the hardest parts of it, which are creating the content and marketing it, dramatically easier. And here's the thing about a tool like Odysseus specifically. The deep research feature alone could cut the research phase of building a course from days down to an hour. You point it at a topic, it pulls from multiple sources, and hands you a clean report you can turn directly into a course curriculum. The document editor means you're not switching between 5 different apps to get a finished product. The memory system means the more you use it, the more it learns how you work and what you're building. For someone building a course business, that's not just a cool toy. That changes how fast you can move, and therefore, how fast you can make money. Now, I know what you might be thinking right now. You're thinking, Fred, this sounds awesome, but I don't have anything to teach. I'm not an expert in anything. The good news is that with a research agent like this, being the expert is no longer the barrier it used to be. So here's what I mean. Every niche you could think of, personal finance, fitness, photography, productivity, language learning, parenting, home organization, all of it has thousands of articles, videos, and studies already sitting on the internet. The knowledge exists. What people don't have is someone who took that knowledge and packaged it into a clear, structured, easy to follow course. That's the job, and AI does the research part for you now. You use a tool like Odysseus to gather and organize everything known about a topic. You structure it into a course, you use AI to write the scripts, and then you either record it yourself or you use an AI avatar and an AI voice if you don't want to be on camera at all. The whole thing can be built without you being a lifelong expert in the subject. I mean, there are people making $20,000 or $30,000 a month, teaching things like how to organize digital files, how to plan meals for a family on a tight budget, how to grow houseplants. These are not rocket scientists. They're people who took a specific problem, packaged the solution clearly, and sold it to the people who have that problem. Now, I want to be straight with you about the limitations of Odysseus because I think it's important. The tool is genuinely impressive for something that just dropped, but it's young. There are hundreds of open issues on GitHub. The setup, especially if you want to run AI models locally on your own machine, requires real hardware and some technical patience. If your computer is on the modest side, you can skip the local model route and just connect it to a cloud model through something like OpenRouter, which makes the setup much lighter. But it's worth knowing going in that this is not a plug-in and go product yet. There's configuration involved. For someone who loves tinkering and cares a lot about data privacy, this is going to be a really fun tool to build with. For someone who just wants to focus on building their business without spending a weekend on setup, it's worth knowing that the polish isn't fully there yet. That said, the direction this is heading is really clear. Agents can do hours of real work on your behalf. Tools that manage your research, your content, your documents, all in one place. That's where everything is going. Getting familiar with how agents work right now, even imperfect ones, puts you ahead of the people who wait until everything is easy. Look, the people who are going to make serious money with AI over the next few months and the next few years are the ones who are building right now, not waiting for the perfect tool or the perfect moment. AI is not the future, it's the present. It's happening now. Every week that goes by, AI gets better, more people figure it out, and the window to get a head start gets smaller. I put together a completely free course that walks you through the exact system I use to build and sell online courses with AI, from picking a topic to creating the content to gaining your first sales. And you don't need an existing audience to do it. You don't need to already be an expert in whatever you're teaching. The whole system is built around AI to do the heavy lifting for you. It's free and the link is in the description below. And if you want to do this with me directly and have me personally map out a plan for your situation, you can book a free call. I'll tell you exactly what course to sell, how to sell it, which AIs to use, all of it. Now spots are limited, so don't wait on it. All the links are below this video.